Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and inject custom JavaScript code into your Odoo website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there and get started in the upper right corner by logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page of your website that you're greeted by, where in the upper left corner you can get started with accessing the editor mode. That's going to enable you to access your configuration tab right here, from where you can manage your settings, apps, and so on, site management, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to inject custom JavaScript code. So basically what we're going to be using is this site option right here in the upper left corner. By clicking on it, it's going to open up this new drop down menu, from where we're going to have the HTML and CSS editor. This is what we want to open up. This is going to enable us to edit our code. So as you can see from here, we can get started editing it. In the upper left corner you have the XML option that's going to enable you to select if you want to edit your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. You can click JS right here for JavaScript and get started in inputting your code. So this is how to get started editing your code. You're going to type it out right here, which is going to apply it to your website. So once you want to save it and apply it, click the save button in the upper right corner. It's going to successfully apply your JavaScript code, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.